Hi, my name is Phil Lees of the Durham Interchurch Sexual Integrity Project. During the last 8 weeks, I have communicated with many churches in Durham about the first phase of the Sexual Integrity Initiative, and which focuses on parents and the church and the realities of teen sexual activity. Well, what are the realities? Well, we are told that teens are less involved in intercourse, but there is increased involvement in other methods of sexual expression, and that has led to an astronomical increase in sexually transmitted infections. The 15 to 24 age group only represents 12% of the population, but they account for up to 67% of sexually transmitted infections. In the last 10 years, there's been a 500% increase in throat cancer amongst this age group. Add to this the negative effect on family relationships, reduced economic earning potential, increased mental and emotional stress, increased suicide rates, the connection between sex, drugs, and criminal activity, and the fact that there's little difference between Christian and non-Christian kids when it comes to sexual activity, and the negative effect on our spiritual culture. I don't believe we can continue to ignore this. How should we respond? Well, a nationwide teen survey helps to give us some information and direction. In this survey, 40% of all teens say that their sex ed classes actually make them feel pressured to have sex. So what are the options? Well, 80% of sexually active teens in this survey say they wish they had actually waited. And when they were asked, why couldn't you wait? They told us because we didn't know how to say no. We knew about STIs, we knew about contraceptives, but we didn't know how to say no. And 94% of teens who regret engaging in sex say they wish their parents had been more involved in instructing them about healthy relationships. And 70% of all teens in this survey say the faith community really should be more involved in teaching about sex and healthy relationships. Add to this the research that shows that the 3 most effective agents of influence on a child's sexual decision-making are, number 1, parents. Not peer pressure, not the internet, but parents. For faith children, number 2 is the church. And then 3rd is the school. Unfortunately, parents and the church tell us that they feel ill-equipped. So as a result, we are defaulting all authority for sexual instruction to secular culture, the school, the internet, and the streets. So how do we respond? Well, to help parents and the church to begin to effectively instruct our children and youth on sexuality, we've become certified in 2 internationally acclaimed programs proven to help parents in the church to effectively mentor youth on this important area of life. Number 1, Heritage Keepers, a sexual risk avoidance program that can be used in churches to instruct youth ages 11 to 17. The program has been proven to provide youth with the knowledge and the skills to protect their hopes and dreams and to avoid getting involved in sexual activity before marriage. The second program, Building Family Connections, is a program for parenting adults. It is for parents or any adult that has input and influence over the life of the child. And this program helps to equip parenting adults to begin the lifelong discussion on healthy relationships. These programs are being offered at the upcoming Stand Firm Love True Conference, April 20th and 21st at the Embassy Church in Oshawa. What's our goal? Well, sexual integrity does not begin and end with a conference. The goal is to build a joint church initiative. We are hoping to get a few leaders and families from different churches to attend the event. then go back, apply the teachings to their family and church, and inspire people in every district of Durham to work together and duplicate this event and the instructions in every district of the region. This event, April 20th and 21st, is an event for the entire family. Building Family Connections is for parenting adults. Heritage Keepers is for youth ages 11 to 17. And we also have free childcare for children from birth to 10 years of age. We just ask that everyone please register. As part of this email, you will find promotional materials attached. In addition, there is a link, a 1.5 minute to a 1.5 minute YouTube church announcement. If there is anything else that we can do to assist, please do not hesitate to call. The phone number is on the attachments. Sex is too important to God to leave to culture in schools. These resources are the resources needed to equip parenting adults to empower our youth to protect their heritage by making healthy, medically accurate, and biblically aligned choices. Please consider sending leaders and families to this event. We look forward to seeing you there and serving you. God bless.